Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director at Fairmont Equities. As share investors, we're used to the concept of volatility, and when the VIX goes up, that can be bad for share prices, but when the VIX and volatility is quite low, that can be great for share markets. This year we've seen big movements in bond prices and bond yields, and it seems very volatile out there. So the question is, how does this actually impact share prices? So what we've done is actually look at the numbers and try to figure out if there is a correlation between the volatility in bonds and the expected returns in the share market. Just a reminder, any advice here is general only. So we've done the numbers and this is what we've come up with. So the blue line is bond yield volatility. So as we could see on the left-hand side, as it heads up, higher volatility, lower volatility, the lower it is. And we've plotted that against the S&P 500. So we've got the 12-month return as a percentage on the right-hand side. So lower numbers represent a higher return for the S&P 500. And as we could see, there is a very nice correlation. So when bond yield volatility spikes higher, you end up with lower share market returns. But as the bond market volatility starts to decrease from those higher levels, that's where you get very good returns on the share market. And as we could see on the far right hand side, the blue line has already peaked and is heading lower. So despite what yields are doing, whether they're edging higher or lower, the volatility that we've seen earlier this year is really starting to dissipate. And if it continues to dissipate like this, that will lead to higher share market returns. So as we can see, there's a clear correlation between share market returns and bond yield volatility. So despite the headlines day to day about bond yields heading up and down, it's almost equally as important to analyse what the volatility is in the bond yields, and that will give us a great insight as to what the share market might do from here. If you're looking for more ideas, head to fairmontequities.com and sign up to our free trial. You'll get our market outlook, our trading guide on how to buy and sell shares, and you'll get 8 weeks of our research delivered to your inbox. And if you qualify for our management service and you have more than $500,000 to invest, please give me a call and I'll tell you more.